I bought a table lamp at a thrift store for $10 and a larger lampshade for $2. Join me as I turn the lamp from modest and bland to majestic and grand. I have sculpted the elephant by covering a wire armature with paper mache and then a layer of air-dry clay. Please have a look at my previous video. My wife Hesti has given the elephant a coat of paint and did a wonderful job to make it look like a bronze statue. See links at the end of the video that'll take you to my previous video as well as her video. Now all that is left to do is for me to make a stand where the lamp and the elephant sculpture can be mounted on. This will be placed on our dining room buffet cabinet or sideboard. We are enjoying great summer weather and I will saw the lamp base from a piece of plywood I have. To raise the lamp a wee bit higher, I will mount it on an additional cylinder made from PVC pipe. Base gets 3 coats of a grey color. The color was chosen to give a backdrop for the elephant that will not steal the show, but allow the sculpture to remain the focus point. First 2 layers of paint get a light sanding to smooth out the surface. Once they are all painted, Hesti will give them a coat of varnish. The elephant also gets a turn. finally time for the reveal. Let me know in the comments, if you were to give this upcycle a score out of 10, how much would you score it? I want to take a moment and thank you all for watching, and I appreciate the likes. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content. I'm looking forward to go into 2026 and attempt some interesting projects.